Are you tired of feeling like you are working hard but your money is not working for you? Do you see other people using credit cards to get free flights, amazing rewards, and cash back and wonder how they do it? You are not alone. The world of credit cards can feel confusing. It can feel overwhelming. But what if you could unlock the secrets to using credit cards to your advantage? What if you could turn your everyday spending into a powerful tool for building wealth and achieving financial freedom? In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to do that. We're going to reveal the 7 best overall credit cards of 2025. These are the cards that can help you stop living paycheck to paycheck and start building the life you have always dreamed of. Stay with us, because by the end of this video, you will have a clear roadmap to choosing the perfect credit card for your financial journey. Choosing a credit card can feel like trying to solve a puzzle with a million pieces. There are so many options, so many different rewards programs, so many hidden fees and complicated terms. It's easy to get lost. It's easy to make a mistake. A wrong choice can cost you hundreds or even thousands of dollars. It can trap you in a cycle of debt. It can hold you back from your financial goals. But it doesn't have to be this way. You don't have to be a financial expert to make a smart decision. You just need the right information. You just need a guide to show you the way. And that's exactly what we're going to do for you today. We've done the research for you. We've distilled all of that information into a simple, easy to understand list of the 7 best overall credit cards of 2025. These are the cards that offer the most value, the most flexibility, and the most potential to help you build wealth. Whether you are a student just starting out, a family trying to save money on groceries, or a seasoned traveler looking for luxury perks, there's a card on this list for you. So let's dive in and discover the 7 best credit cards that can change your financial life. First up, we have the Chase Freedom Unlimited. This card is a true powerhouse. It's the perfect all-around card for anyone who wants to earn cash back on every single purchase. With the Chase Freedom Unlimited, you get an incredible 5% cash back on travel purchased through Chase Travel. You get 3% cash back on dining and at drugstores, and you get 1.5% cash back on everything else. Think about that for a moment. You're earning money back on every dollar you spend. That's like getting a discount on your entire life. And there's no annual fee. You get all of these amazing benefits for free. Plus, as a new card member, you can earn a $200 bonus after you spend just $500 in your first 3 months. That's free money. The Chase Freedom Unlimited also comes with a 0% introductory APR for 15 months on both purchases and balance transfers. This is a fantastic feature if you need to make a large purchase or transfer a balance from another card. It gives you time to pay off your balance without accumulating any interest. This can save you hundreds of dollars. This card is a game changer. It's the perfect foundation for any credit card strategy. It's simple, it's powerful, and it's packed with value. Next on our list is the Wells Fargo Active Cash Card. This card is all about simplicity and consistency. It offers a flat 2% cash back on all purchases. No rotating categories, no complicated reward structures, just a straightforward 2% cash back on everything you buy. This is a fantastic option for people who want to earn a high rate of cash back without having to think about it. The Wells Fargo Active Cash Card also comes with a $200 cash rewards bonus after you spend $500 in your first 3 months. And just like the Chase Freedom Unlimited, it has no annual fee. This card is a great choice for anyone who values simplicity and wants to maximize their cash back on every purchase. It's a reliable, no-nonsense card that delivers incredible value. It also offers a 0% intro APR for 12 months on purchases and qualifying balance transfers. This gives you plenty of time to pay off a large purchase or a transferred balance without any interest. The Wells Fargo Active Cash Card is a strong contender for the best flat-rate cashback card on the market. Are you a foodie? Do you love going out to eat? Do you enjoy concerts, movies, and other forms of entertainment? If so, the Capital One Savor Cash Rewards credit card is the perfect card for you. This card is designed to reward you for your lifestyle. It offers an incredible 8% cash back on Capital One entertainment purchases. You also get 5% cash back on hotels, vacation rentals, and rental cars booked through Capital One Travel. And you get an unlimited 3% cash back on dining, entertainment, and popular streaming services. You even get 3% cash back at grocery stores. This card is a must-have for anyone who spends a significant amount of money on food and fun. The Capital One Savor Cash Rewards credit card also comes with a generous welcome bonus. You can earn a $100 credit for Capital One travel and a $200 cash bonus after you spend $500 in your first 3 months. That's a total of $300 in your pocket. And with no annual fee, this card is an absolute steal. It also has a 0% intro APR for 12 months on purchases and balance transfers. This card is a fantastic way to get rewarded for the things you already love to do. If you like a little variety in your rewards, the Discover It Cashback card is an excellent choice. This card offers 5% cash back on rotating quarterly categories. These categories change every 3 months and often include things like gas stations, grocery stores, restaurants, and Amazon.com. You just have to activate the new categories each quarter to start earning your 5% cash back. On all other purchases, you earn an unlimited 1% cash back. But here's the real kicker. At the end of your first year, Discover will automatically match all the cash back you have earned. That's right. They will double your rewards. So if you earn $500 in cash back in your first year, Discover will give you another $500. This is an incredible offer that you will not find with any other card. The Discover It Cashback card also has no annual fee and a 0% intro APR on both purchases and balance transfers. This card is a great way to maximize your cashback and get a huge bonus at the end of your first year. It's a fun and rewarding card that keeps things interesting. The Citi Double Cash card is another fantastic option for those who value simplicity. It offers a unique and powerful reward structure. You earn 1% cash back when you make a purchase and another 1% cash back when you pay for that purchase. That's a total of 2% cash back on everything you buy. This is a great incentive to pay your bill in full each month. The Citi Double Cash card also comes with a $200 cashback welcome offer, and there's no annual fee. This card is a great choice for anyone who wants a simple, straightforward way to earn a high rate of cash back. It's a no-frills card that delivers on its promise. It also offers a 0% intro APR on balance transfers, which can be a great way to save money on interest if you have a balance on another card. The Citi Double Cash card is a solid choice for anyone who wants to be rewarded for their responsible financial habits. If you are a traveler, the Chase Sapphire Preferred card is a must-have. This card is packed with travel benefits and rewards that can save you a ton of money. With the Chase Sapphire Preferred card, you earn 5 times points on travel purchased through Chase Travel, 3 times points on dining, and 2 times points on all other travel purchases. You can then redeem your points for travel through the Chase Travel portal, and your points are worth 25% more. That means 75,000 points are worth $937.50 towards travel. You can also transfer your points to a number of airline and hotel partners, which can give you even more value. This is where the real magic happens. By transferring your points to partners like United, Southwest, Hyatt, or Marriott, you can often get 2 to 3 cents per point in value, or even more. This can turn a modest points balance into a free international flight or a week at a luxury hotel. The Chase Sapphire Preferred card also comes with a number of valuable travel protections, including trip cancellation and interruption insurance, auto rental collision damage waiver, and lost luggage reimbursement. These benefits can give you peace of mind when you are on the road. The card does have a $95 annual fee, but the benefits and rewards can easily outweigh the cost, especially if you travel frequently. This card is a fantastic choice for anyone who wants to travel more and spend less. Last but not least, we have the Blue Cash Preferred card from American Express. This card is a dream come true for families and anyone who spends a lot of money on groceries. It offers an incredible 6% cash back on up to $6,000 in purchases at U.S. supermarkets each year. That is up to $360 in cash back on groceries alone. You also get 6% cash back on select U.S. streaming subscriptions, 3% cash back on transit, and 3% cash back at U.S. gas stations. On all other purchases, you earn 1% cash back. The Blue Cash Preferred card does have a $95 annual fee, but there is a $0 intro annual fee for the first year. The cashback you earn can easily offset the annual fee, especially if you take advantage of the grocery and streaming benefits. This card is a fantastic way to save money on your everyday expenses. It's a powerful tool for any family looking to stretch their budget and get rewarded for their spending. So there you have it, the 7 best overall credit cards of 2025. But how do you choose the right one for you? The best way to decide is to look at your own spending habits. Where do you spend the most money? Are you a frequent traveler? Do you eat out a lot? Do you have a big family to feed? Once you understand your spending, you can choose the card that will give you the most rewards. Don't be afraid to have more than one card. You can use different cards for different types of purchases to maximize your rewards. For example, you might use the Blue Cash Preferred for groceries, the Capital One Savor for dining, and the Chase Sapphire Preferred for travel. This strategy is called credit card stacking, and it can help you earn significantly more rewards. The most important thing is to choose a card that fits your lifestyle and your financial goals. And always remember to use your credit cards responsibly. Pay your bill in full and on time every month to avoid interest charges and build a strong credit history. Credit cards are powerful tools, but only if you use them wisely. Never spend more than you can afford to pay off. Never carry a balance if you can avoid it. And always keep track of your spending. By following these simple rules, you can use credit cards to your advantage and build wealth over time. Remember that each of these 7 cards has been carefully selected based on real-world value and benefits. They represent the best options available in 2025 for different spending patterns and lifestyles. Whether you want simple cashback, travel rewards, or category bonuses, there's a perfect card waiting for you on this list. Take action today and start maximizing your financial rewards now. Choosing the right credit card is a big decision, but it doesn't have to be a difficult one. By understanding your options and choosing a card that aligns with your spending habits, you can unlock a world of rewards and benefits. You can turn your everyday spending into a powerful tool for building wealth and achieving your financial dreams. We hope this video has given you the information and the confidence you need to make a smart choice. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and tricks. And do not forget to share this video with someone who could benefit from it. We would also love to hear from you in the comments below. Which of these credit cards are you most interested in? Let us know. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.